Donuts. They're not just a sweet way to start the day. They're also jam-packed with advice about the pros and cons of renting versus buying. When you're a renter, you can only do so much with your space. But when you're a homeowner, you can make it your own. While renters can call their landlords to fix issues, buyers have to shell out the dough to do it themselves. A home is property you own and can consider part of your assets over the long term. Not true for renters, who only get their space for the short term. Are you more likely to stay in one place or move around? If you're a mover, then renting can give you more flexibility. In a lot of cities, rent costs as much as a monthly mortgage payment, so that could mean buying makes more sense over time. SoFi can help you take your home buying journey full circle, with online tools and resources and a simple, straightforward process. Competitive rates, fast, easy digital application. Learn more at sofi.com/homeloans.